Our first project for spring is going to be a topiary. So you'll need a wooden dowel, which you can buy at Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart. And you'll need foam balls. This foam ball I got from Dollar Tree. This foam ball is from Walmart. The dowel, depending on how thick you get it, is going to be anywhere from maybe 75 cents up to a few dollars. Smaller balls, $1 at Dollar Tree. The larger ball is about $3 at Walmart. And then you're going to need some flowers to cover. So these flowers are all from Dollar Tree. If you want nicer flowers, you can spend more money, but I like to usually disassemble things and reuse them for different times of the year. So this is already painted and already assembled because this is what was used for the Halloween topiary where we did the spider webs around, if you were here for that. So I just pulled the spider webs off and the pins, and I'm just going to start to cover both balls with the flowers. If you want more colorful flowers, obviously you have that option. It's whatever your preference. So to start the project, you're going to use your glue gun, take the flower stem off, and you're going to apply a little bit of the hot glue around the base of your flower. Once you do that, you're going to stick the flower in. I usually start at the top and just press and hold a few seconds until it's attached. Okay, so that's our first flower. The easiest way to continue when you're making a topiary is to start with an X pattern. So you're going to continue this all the way around in a line, another line this way, and that way, and then fill in your center. So I'm going to repeat that process again with my flower, some hot glue on my base. And I'm going to put these in pretty close together. I don't want too much of the green showing. So as you can see, you really can't see any of the green there. And same thing on your bottom. When you start that, you're going to do a line, line, a line, kind of like in a T or X pattern, and then fill in as you continue to go around. Okay, so progress so far. I have the top filled in on half. Here's the bottom, so you can see how it starts to, I'm going to start filling in this line here. And then once that line's filled in, you put about 2 on each side there. That'll fill those. And then if you want to see, before you get to that stage, what it looks like, here's how I started the bottom. So I did a line to the left and the right. I'll now rotate it and add more flowers left and right, and then same thing, you'll fill in the sides. Alright, as you can see, the topiary's been filled in on all sides. For those of you that are wondering with the size of the foam balls that I got, it took 60 roses, so it is 12 of the stem things at Dollar Tree. Now I want to get a base that's pretty. I did white and silver, so I found this at Goodwill. This is a mercury glass candle holder, $2.49, and then I got it at 50% off day, so it was only $1.25. And this is those like things you find all the time at Goodwill where it had some kind of candle in it, someone's burnt it, and now there's like half a candle. You really can't do anything with it. You can't scrape it out. These are great to use for bases for floral arrangements. So the other thing is that candle's halfway in there, so I don't have to use as much foam, and it also adds a sturdy base because it adds some weight. So all I need to do is pack some foam down in here, and then I'm going to put my topiary in the center. That looks good. Once I get my topiary nice and straight, I'm going to add some moss, which you can buy pretty much anywhere. I get my moss at Dollar Tree normally, just because it's cheaper. It's $1. And I'm going to push it down so you can see the bottom of the topiary. That's it. That's our finished product.